Well, why don't you show me what you have here?
Well, this is it, and this is what they left me with, so.
So this is what they call a twist lock plug. It's made to go inside of a receptacle, twist to the right, and it locks. It prevents anything from coming out. The reason being, anytime you have a body of water with electricity, there's a lot of things that have to get done right, including calling an electrician, which you already did. We need to get power right here, no more than 3 feet away from this pump. So what we can do, we can come out of the side of the house here with electricity from the basement panel, go right down, dig this trench out underground, and put the plug right here. We can plug that in.
Awesome, let's do it.
All right, let's get started. We need to dig the trench 24 inches down and about as wide as a shovel. Now I can drill a hole through the outside of the house into the basement where the electrical panel is. Okay, Mike, go ahead and put those 2 wires inside the hole. And I'm gonna pull them over to the electrical panel. Okay, so we got the wires to this location. Now we need to mount this box on the side of your house. It's gonna have a shut-off switch for the pump, and it's gonna have an outlet. You can plug in a radio or something like that. Now, up until this point, we've used regular Romex. We have an insulated white wire, we have an insulated black wire, and we have a bare ground wire. We cannot use this going to a swimming pool. This needs to be insulated. So I've brought 3 separate conductors. We're gonna put these inside the pipe. Same thing. We have black insulated, we have white insulated, and we have green insulated. Those go inside the pipe to the swimming pool. Let's get that pipe started. This expansion coupling allows the PVC conduit to expand and contract. Now I can backfill the trench. A foot below the finished grade, we need to put this caution tape in. All right, Mike, I'm gonna feed these wires to you. Let me know when you got them.
Okay, I got it.
Pull about 1.5 feet, Mike. That's good. Your swimming pool pump draws a lot of electricity, almost 1,500 watts.
Wow, that's a lot.
And you don't need to run it all day, maybe 10 to 12 hours. So what I've got here is a timer. And this timer automatically turns the pump on and off without even you having to worry about it. So we're gonna put this right outside here, and then we can wire up the other outlets and the switches. So here's the twist lock receptacle. It wires just like a standard receptacle. This fits right in here, pushes in, and locks. Okay, power's off. Now we need to tie the circuit from the pool into the main panel. Do you recognize one of these?
Yeah, in the kitchen and the bathroom.
That's a GFCI protected outlet. The circuitry in here monitors the electricity. Anytime the electricity goes unexpectedly to ground, it shuts it off. We can build the same exact circuitry into a breaker. And this breaker protects the whole circuit going outside. Water shuts right off.
Oh, that's very cool.
Let's wire it up. All right, Mike, this pool has a lot of metal. It has the top rail that's metal, has these supports right here, and for electrical safety, I have to bond everything together that's metal.
How do you do that?
Well, we have these metal lugs right here, and we use this number 8 solid copper wire. We run it around the whole pool, around 18 to 24 inches off the wall. And then we run it right back to the pump. I'll show you. Okay, so we've run the bond around. We picked up 3 or 4 points. We got the motor picked up. The last thing we need to bond together is the water. So inside there's a stainless steel plate, and we're gonna tie this last wire right to the lug. Comes through the skimmer. And that's it. We're ready to go.
Cool.
Looks like you have your first swimmer. The electrical inspector's come and gone, everything's signed off and ready to go. You're ready for your first pool party.